What's up, my gamers, and welcome to Chunk of Gaming. And today I was gonna be kind of recording this like winter storm is in Mississippi, Tennessee, Missouri, and I believe Arkansas too. So yeah, guys, there's a lot of snow and all of that. Basically, around here right now in Mississippi, is frozen ice. Well, not frozen. I mean frozen rain. So yeah, there's ice falling down right now. And look at all of that. There's a lot of snow out here. So yeah, guys. Yeah, I'm right here too. It's freezing out here, to be honest, but it's alright. Oh yeah, thanks for the 4 more subscribers. I know who the 2 of you are, but I had to look at the remember I had 334. I know who when I had 332, I know that the 2 that subscribed. I just don't want to say our names. But the people that did made me go up to 336. Thanks. My goal is to reach 400 subscribers. So yeah, guys. It's foggy and all that stuff right now. It's freezing. And if you go to school, then you probably know that it's going to be if you go to school, you know we're probably going to be out. The wind is actually blowing hard. Wait, I want to feel it. Oh, I feel that. It's freezing. I don't know if I could get a frostbite in this weather, but it's freezing. But, yeah, guys. So I don't know what the degrees is right now. No, I think it's 14. If you do want to get more, if you want to get more information, you could look up max velocity, and then after that, yeah, you can do all that. Or you could just go to the radar and show. Well, look, yeah, all the snow is above, and once you start breathing, yeah, it's I don't know. The wind is blowing hard. The park and the ground is filled with snow. I don't know how high that is. It's not. I think it says it's going to be 10 or 12 feet of snow. I believe it's 10. But yeah, guys, that's how high it is. I don't know how high that is. But yeah, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you want to, you can leave a comment on how it is in your area. And yeah, guys. Okay, see you on the next one, and out.